Hi everybody, it's Jill Blanchette with Green Thumb Stampers. I'm here this week for a Finally Friday video. I got a quick one for you, but I'm going to show you how to add ink to a stamped image with your blender brushes. Hang on. A couple weeks ago on my Wednesday Facebook Live, I made these two cards. Today we're going to just focus on the flowers and how to make the flowers look various colors like they are in here. They're not just one color. So I've got some scrap paper. We're going to use the flowers from the True Beauty. I'm really liking this set lately. So we're going to grab a scrap piece of basic white paper. They are red rubber, so I don't need the foamy thing underneath for the extra cushion. So I'm going to slide that out of the way. I'm going to grab my block. And today I'm going to use, I guess I'll use this same flower as that one because it's bigger. So put the block, stamp on the block, and then you want to start with your lightest color that you have. So I'm going to start with my Pale Papaya. You want to ink the whole stamp up. Then you're going to take one of your blender brushes, and you want to use 2 or 3 different colors. So then pick some coordinating colors. So I have Calypso Coral and my blender brush, and then just pick up some of the color and then like bounce it around on your stamp. Like that. And then go to your darkest color, which I've got Poppy Parade. Do the same thing, pick up the color, and then bounce it around on your stamp. And then you can stamp it down. And you will see the various colors show through on your image. Now you can do the same thing with the stem. I'm going to peel that one off. Put the stem on. I could use a bigger block, but we're going to use this one. Close that up before I wear it. And then again, we've got our lightest color, the Pear Pizzazz. Going to ink up the stamp. And then I've got my Old Olive, which is, I'm only going to do the 2 colors on this one. So I'm going to get the ink on my brush, and then I'm just going to dab it around. Just kind of bouncing it on there very lightly. Then we'll stamp it down. And that one doesn't show as much of a difference, but you could see the darker spots where I did put the Old Olive over the Pear Pizzazz. So that's it for today, guys. This is just a quick tutorial of a fun way to change up your color. It doesn't have to be a flower. It could be, if you're using some of the waterfront sets, if you're trying to make the sky different colors or the water different colors, you could use that with some of the water sets that we have. It's just endless ideas of what you could do. I just wanted to show you this on a flower and show you how quick and easy it is to shake up that basic one color look and give it some variety. Alright, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. I'll be back again with another video. Have a great weekend. Bye.